Let's look at TensorFlow math.add underscore n. And as usual, we have imported the NumPy and TensorFlow library. And we'll get started by first looking at an example with a couple of tensors. So let's create a tensor. A is equal to tf dot constant, and this has the shape which is 2 by 2. So the first row has the values 3 and 5, and then we have the second row that has the values 4 comma 8, and we can look at it like so, and let's put on the space there. So that's our tensor A, and we are going to create two more tensors which are of the same shape, and for that we'll say this one is the tensor B and this is the tensor C. And the values in the tensor B, we have the values of 1 comma 6, and the second row has the values 2 comma 9, and the tensor C has the values 1 1 and 1 1. So to perform the add n operation, this is how we would do it. tf.math.add underscore n, and here we can specify the tensors that we would like to add. So let's say we want to specify just two tensors, a and b. We could do that and then print z.numpy, and this is what we get in the output, which is the element-wise addition of a and b, which is 3 plus 1 is 4, then 5 plus 6 is 11, and that's what we get. We could also add another tensor here. So we could say a plus b plus c, and then we get the values of 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 5, and then 5 plus 6 is 11, plus 1 is 12, and that's what we see here in the output. This would be similar to if we were to add these individually. For example, if we perform the addition as follows: a comma b, and that gives us the value of z, and then we take the tf.math dot add. So we, instead of using add n, if we just use add, we would say b, so z comma c, and so this would give us the same output, which is 5 12 7 18. Just a different way in which we can perform the addition. However, if we copy, let's copy this. If we try to add, so let's create another cell and paste this here. If we try to perform the addition like this, TensorFlow math.add, and we specify a comma b comma c, then the values that we get here in the output are not the same as what we have above of 5 plus 5 12 7 18. These are not the same values, and the reason is because these values, we copy this again and we remove this. What is happening here? Let's look at the output. So what we see here in the output is the first two elements are getting added, the last is not getting added. The C is not getting added to the output. So we are simply adding A and B in this case. So add n allows us to add multiple tensors in the same line of code. That's it for how the tf.math.add n works. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.